What is the scariest thing in the world? The scariest thing in the world for you? And your answer was... Does anyone know? Microwave. Yes. A microwave. A microwave. I always worry that it will explode. What are you talking about?
When I was young,
Yeah.
I used to be afraid, but
Are you kidding?
still afraid.
Why? Why? Why are you afraid?
I don't know.
I guess it's a little frightening because I don't really understand it.
I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah. No, but nothing's gonna happen. No, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing is going to happen. You'll be fine with a microwave.